Mom needs to get her back and start feeding you the good stuff.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, Maxie.
Oh,
I saw you look at us.
pretending to sleep.